You've been doing crunches regularly, putting in effort, feeling the burn, and expecting visible abs to show up sooner or later. But instead of progress, what you see is frustration, shaking muscles, low energy, and the same stubborn belly fat staying right where it is. Here's the part most people never hear. Your abs are not missing, broken, or undeveloped like you think they are. They already exist underneath, but they're covered, protected, and hidden by how your body handles fat. In this video, you're going to learn why that happens and what actually needs to change for abs to become visible. You'll also understand why doing more ab exercises alone rarely leads to the result you're chasing. And by the end, you'll know how to train and live in a way your body finally responds to. First, let's clear something up. Ab exercises make your abs stronger, not more visible. Visibility comes from lowering overall body fat, not from targeting one specific muscle group. You can eat clean, train hard, and still stay stuck if calories over time are not controlled. This is why someone can be fit, athletic, and still never see their abs clearly. Fat loss doesn't work locally, no matter how much tension you feel in your core. Your body loses fat based on genetics, hormones, and stress, not where you train the hardest. Crunches don't burn belly fat, and sweating in your abs doesn't change that reality. Fat loss is a full-body process, which means your training needs to involve your full body. For most men, the lower belly is the last place fat wants to leave. That's not a failure on your part. It's simply how the body is designed to protect energy. Another issue is training intensity that never increases as your body adapts. When workouts stay easy, your body has no reason to change its shape. Your core adapts very quickly, especially when you repeat the same routine every day. Without progression, even daily effort turns into maintenance instead of transformation. This is why big, demanding movements matter more than endless isolation work. Building more muscle increases how many calories your body burns even at rest. Stress also plays a massive role that most people completely overlook. When stress stays high, your body holds onto fat, especially around the belly. Poor sleep, overtraining, and aggressive dieting all push your body into protection mode. Doing abs every single day is one of the fastest ways to stall progress. So is jumping from workout to workout without a clear plan or structure. And starving yourself only teaches your body to conserve fat, not release it. Fatigue without recovery doesn't build abs, it breaks consistency. Random effort feels productive, but it rarely produces visible change. A better approach starts with full-body training several times per week. Push-ups, squats, lunges, and similar movements create the strongest fat loss signal. Abs should be trained a few times weekly, with control and purpose. Each session should feel slightly harder than the last, even in small ways. Nutrition doesn't need extremes, just small, consistent reductions that you can sustain. Daily walking helps burn fat without stressing your nervous system. It supports recovery instead of fighting against it. When stress stays low, your body becomes more willing to change. Sleep is not optional if visible abs are the goal. In the first week, you may not see changes yet, but you'll feel them. That feeling is your signal that your system is finally aligned. If this helped you understand why your abs never showed before, support the channel and keep building smarter with Hyprofit.